Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share some beautiful, sleek and modern ceiling designs. In the world of interior design, sleek and modern ceiling designs have become increasingly popular. These designs are characterized by their clean lines, minimalistic aesthetics and innovative use of materials. The latest trends in ceiling design often incorporate recessed lighting, hidden LED strips, and even smart lighting systems that can change color and intensity to create different moods in a room. Additionally, designers are experimenting with unique texture and finishes such as glossy surfaces, metallic accents, or acoustic panels to add a depth and visual interest to ceiling. Whether it's a coffered ceiling with geometric patterns or a floating ceiling with integrated speakers, these contemporary designs can transform any space into a stylish and sophisticated look. In our YouTube channel, we showcase these sleek and latest ceiling designs by featuring real-life examples and explaining how they can elevate the overall look and feel of a room. So friends, don't forget to highlight the versatility of these designs as they can work well in both residential and commercial spaces, making them a compelling choice for anyone looking to update their interior aesthetics. I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.